Kobe.
Clock is an issue.
He's going to have to shoot it with 3, with 2. In trouble. Forced up and in! Unbelievable! Far side. Crowd on its feet. Lakers down. In trouble. Quickly. Bryant. 3 from the corner. Yes! Kobe! All out of bounds. Got to get it in. No timeouts to save yourself. And Blake gets it into Kobe. Kobe, good little fake. 3 to tie! 3 to tie! We're tied at 109!
Bryant, yes. Try to bank it, comes out to Bryant for 3, yes. Bryant from way downtown.
On that hamstring, and he's not quite right. So maybe the Lakers will get away with this matchup.
Bryant again. Lakers with the ball down by 3 as we approach 2.5 to play here, fourth quarter. Bryant has tied it.
They are right there in Los Angeles with Lillard a 3. Lillard a 3 right down the half.
You know how this is going to go down.
The tie.
You know.
Shoot, he's got time. He's got Randall on him, streaks in, kicks. Damian sidesteps, another 3. Oh, come on! Come on!
With 11 and 11. Three-pointer the other way. Blazers get it quickly back with still over 3 minutes left. Lillard takes a deep 3 and buries it. Turn, saw no better option, let it fly. Lillard back to back. Good! And it's a one-possession game. Lillard, another look at a 3. Good again!
Wow.
It is. Lillard scoops it up.
No one was bending down.
Lillard again! Oh!
He's a monster.
You know what I express? You know what I'm thinking about, don't you?
James Harden put him in the popcorn machine.
The help man Simon's out of it.
Harden's out! James Harden! Game.
Harden floats it up, and that was Harden on the drive, steps back, shoots a 3! James Harden!
Rebound, here comes James Harden. Step back 3, good! Right between the eyes! Iguodala, bump back, Harden triple, book it! To play by him. It's a Harden 3. Good! What a shot! Harden trying to get free. Down to 3, down to 2. It's a 3. Good! Good! He got it!
Not kicked. LeBron head on the swivel. JR could use one. Buries it for 3.
Yes, JR doing a good job of being ready to shoot.
Off the mark. Rebound to Kevin Love. JR got his legs into it. That hit 2 in a row.
Yeah, not even thinking about it. That's why he plays the game. Yeah, he's not that type of shooter. I'm surprised he's taking those shots.
Rim running Kevin Love. JR the other side. Same result. A mirror image for JR Smith.
Whoa.
He's hit 3 in a row. Standing O.
My goodness.
Scored much better at home, 10 plus a game, as opposed to road, under 7 a night. JR gathered it, sent it. Oh, he's feeling it. He's going pop a shot on him. JR Smith is at 4.
Smith backs it up for 3. Yes.
What in the heck? Great shot, JR.
Smith for 3 again. Second differential between game clock and shot clock. Smith, beautiful setup.
JR swish.
Smith for 3.
Wow.
Number 7 for J.R. Smith.
Luck out here. Irving for 3. Wow! Wow. Uncle Drew strikes again.
Been able to finish with the left.
He's got it again. 3 defending. What a 3! Ginobili on the ball and Leonard. Kyrie, a 3. Good! He got it! Irving with another 3 and 49. Kyrie Irving. Irving. Dial there, another triple.
Coming out. They screen Butler. Irving got into the lane. Butler seemed to get a piece. Defense. Butler with dogged defense on Irving. Kyrie kept his dribble alive. Tough shot. Uncle Drew with another one. 2-point game. Irving for three. Yes! And the lead.
I really like that.
One on the clock. They got to shoot it. Redick forced to throw one up.
Good rebound.
Luck out here. Irving for three. Wow! Uncle Drew strikes again.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! 40-30. First meeting between the two. Golden State scored 73 as Curry nails the three-pointer. Curry from the corner. Another. Curry, long distance. Puts it in! Stephen Curry with another. Well, Green's made some huge defensive plays. Curry for three. Nails it. Curry, another three. Oh, it's good! The Curry eruption continues.
Got 9 boards. Step back, and there it is. His first field goal, it's a 3. The Kings are just daring the Warriors to shoot threes. They're getting away with it, but not forever. And Steph Curry is starting to heat up a little bit. Curry on the crossover, Steph down the lane. Steph for the rebound. Oh man, history's good!
Only 6 players in NBA history have scored 70 in a game, and you're watching one of them right now.
Nice ball movement and Booker.
And that's just get it down to about 15.
Well, that's a start. Devin Booker starting to heat up a little bit.
Here, I think the Suns can make some inroads.
And so on the penetration kick, and there he is at 3. Backed up by Antetokounmpo into the hands of Booker for 3.
Shot it. I guess it's shot.
Here's Booker again. A stop defensively for the Suns, and they can chip away even more.
I knew this was
Here
a
he
good shot.
is, Booker!
Booker to the basket. Shoot it there. Whoa, whoa! Booker gets free, comes up shooting again. You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, yes, oh, yes. Oh, come on. Final seconds, and Durant hits from near midcourt.
Not know he was guarding that play.
Here's Durant. Able to whip by Siakam off the dribble, and Durant with 40 for the night. 3 threes for Lowry. Durant for 3. Yes! Of course says play on as Durant looked over at the bench. Here's Durant. 10 seconds. Goes to the corner to shoot a 3 and hits to tie it up. Kevin Durant. Durant played by Anderson. Got the step in. Over it, but they cannot click. Now comes back to Durant. And he hits from 3. Durant. Fighting.
Rebound, just really playing well with this San Antonio Spurs team.
Durant, who is on fire. Ooh. Makes it 12 straight points. Met by Anderson. Durant finding space. Yes!
Kyle fly down.
They're making it 4 in a row. Let's get it.
And that is why they sell out this building every night.
That was good in anticipation by Love.
Intended for Turner. Korver sends it. The bottom, Kyle! The Kyle Korver again.
Paul's a little frustrated. Don't get a foul.
James, Korver again for a 5th 3.
Guard Korver if they have to.
Larry Bird if he could. Fry swings it. McRae as well. Korver again! He is hotter than a blowtorch.
More. They came in averaging 117 in this stretch. And there's Korver, open for 3.
Monte Ellis.
Ball touch. Kyle Korver. Oh, do it to him!
Look off pass to Korver, was ready and buried it for three. Korver off the bounce. Got it to go for three. LeBron turned the corner. Korver, quick catch and shoot for three more. Kyle Korver. Korver, double clutches.
Oh, a rubber rim in New York. They do make them here. 90-86.
94-89. Korver again.
Good again. Kyle Korver going NBA 2K18 on him.
Might be really appropriate. For NBA history, you got it! 14 threes in a game!
I don't think Klay will come out until he gets 40, and I think he has. Yes.
Klay Thompson. And Klay's got another one. Good defense, Draymond and Damian. Catch and shoot three. There it is! Might be really appropriate. For NBA history, you got it! 14 threes in a game!
8-point lead for the Thunder. Here's Thompson, who just checked back in and knocks down a three. Iguodala. Thompson, a rainbow three. Over. Keeping it alive for the new possession. Thompson turning and shooting.
See what that patience does. It gives him time to get set and knock it down.
A long three for Thompson, and that is an NBA record. His 10th three-pointer of the night.